admit it, you had an interspecies crush on Simba. It was hard not to. The Lion King hero was sensitive, troubled, adventurous, romantic and had a beautiful head of hair. The perfect man except for the whole, lion thing. Thanks to Tumblr artist Pugletto, you don't need to feel strange about wanting to feel the love tonight with Simba. The 24-year-old animator has transformed this cub and other famous Disney animals into humans. Pugletto's work reimagines these famous animated dogs, bears and lions as cartoon humans who fit into the time period and cultural landscape of the film. The inspiration was more or less a way to deal with my own frustration with a lack of diversity in fan-based art communities, the artist told Bustle. When people ask me how or why I drew them as people of color, my answer to them is usually, why not? The result is a series of drawings that will give fans a new perspective on their favorite classics from childhood. These human Disney doppelgangers aren't Pugletto's only expertise. The artist is an all-around impressive animator who is open to commissions and ideas on what creations should come next.